The Harbor Bridge.
Bridge there. How many steps there?
Fit. Physical. Physical quest. Kung nanalo sa challenge na to.
Physical deck.
Oh. This is the walk along the bridge. Look at that view. Amazing. Yay.
We're back.
We're back. Physical. Fit.
Mag-jog na dito.
Check ka na din.
Oh,
Go.
choke.
See you later.
Hindi. Parang na ilang minutes kaya natin ito malalakad.
20.
20 minutes?
Sige nga. Ito, try mo time.
Pero yung normal lang na lakad.
There are some seats. Bench. If you want to rest. Oh, look at that. Sydney Opera House. If you see it. Yan siya guys. Ganda. Zoom natin. Ooh. Amazing. Ferry po. Meron pa palang cruise ship here.
Meron?
Yun o. Ayan yung train.
That side.
Yeah, on the other side. Ano yun? Tumata ng train. Ayan, yung bridge. Ganda. And Opera House. Carnival. That's where you board the ship. Galing.
Pwede kong picnic dyan o sa baba ko.
Ayan guys, ang ganda ng place sa baba. Parang sort of park. Vantage point then for the new year. Look at the Opera House. Ang ganda talaga. Kahit ilang beses natin nakita.
Yung mga ano, gear ship. Kita mo?
Dami oh. No, sabay-sabay sila oh.
Kaya
Tatlo. May racing ba sila? Kakaiba mga apartment. Okay. Survive the challenge.
100.
Moving on to the next quest. Physical deck. Meron ano guys.
Is
Mga
it the
bench.
way or that way?
May kainan ba? Oh yeah, Anzac Day. Because today is Anzac Day. Commemorate the sacrifices of the people fought during the war. The Australians and New Zealanders fought during the war.
May inuman na mamaya.
Merong ano,
Ayun o. May ano,
Party.
May bar na.
Oh, look at those flags. Ireland yan. Alam ko Ireland. And Aboriginal flag at Australian flag. Ayan. Marami kasi mga Irish din dito. Tsaka yung unang mga tao rin dito eh. From the west.
Tsaka, baka
Ay
itong-
mga English at
Baka itong bar
Irish.
na to, di ba? May ari sa...
Oo. Yan. Mga Irish people. How was the cruise?
It's really good. Nice to be back. Wow.
Hills?
Hills. Healy Road.
Ganda ng building.
Four Seasons.
Anzac Day eh, no? Anzac Day nga. On
Where?
George Stop.
Where?
On George Street. Linis ng daan yan.
Open ko lang. Italian. Oh, exercise.
Queen Victoria Building. Quiet. Tahimik ang city ngayon. Darling Harbor. Naka half mast yung flag dahil sa Anzac Day. I think.